Welcome. My name is Chef Daniel. I work as a chef in several restaurants as well as a food journalist, and today I have the great honor to represent Kuvings and their slow juicers. The Kuvings slow juicer is sold with 3 different filters. We have one filter for juices, we have one filter for smoothies, and we have one filter for sorbets. Inside these filters there is a juicing screw working. This juicing screw is spinning in a very slow and gentle way, and by this it saves all the vitamins and minerals. Here you can see a fruit will be turned around and will be poured inside. This way we very gently extract all the vitamins and minerals. We are having a lot of fun at the Ambiente 2019 in Frankfurt, Germany, and we attracted thousands of customers who were interested in how easy it is to produce your own fresh and healthy juices with the Kuvings slow juicer. They were also interacting a lot and asking questions about our solid production and parts, as well as how easy it is to clean the Kuvings slow juicers. You can do this very easily with our cleaning device and brush. Put it together, just turn several times, and then you have a clean machine again. I interacted a lot with the customers and handing them the items so they could feel how solid and how quality made the machines are built for. The Kuvings slow juicer very gently extracts the juices from different kinds of vegetables and fruits. This is where the juice is running out. It contains all the vitamins and minerals, and this is where the pulp is coming out. The pulp is super dry. I even handed it to some customers and they were very surprised about how dry the pulp is. Dry pulp means the juice is in the glasses and not in the trash, because the juice is the valuable thing that you want to save and that you want the people to drink. You want to save the vitamins and not want them to be wasted. So I gave them to several people. They could touch and feel by themselves, and they were really amazed because they never had these kind of dry results before. It's amazing to have the whole fruit lid. I can fit inside whole fruits like this. So as a chef, I know how hard it is and how much time consuming to cut and prepare the fruits and vegetables for your machines. Here, I do not need that. I can just put them inside. By this, I have more time to interact with my customers and even enjoy. So I can play around and just put them inside. I even gave them to the customers. We made some fun. They throw them to me like this. I catch them and put them inside. So I can enjoy my work. I can enjoy producing fresh fruits and fresh juices and provide my family with some healthy juices.